welcome to my channel Glow Up Grab. Close your eyes, I'm going to tell you something. When you step into nature, everything slows down. The world stops rushing, and for a moment you breathe again. The trees don't hurry to grow, neither is tall. The flowers don't compete, they bloom in their own time. The river never asks where it's going, it just flows. It reminds us the moment is life and peace is found in letting go. Sometimes the best motivation isn't in loud words or big goals. It's in quiet moments when you remember who you are and how far you have come. So, take a breath, look around. Nature is still here, reminding you to keep growing gently, beautifully, and at your own pace. Stay kind, stay grounded. Thank you for all.